What's up everyone, 3D Print 747 here, back again with another video. So I converted my second P1P to a P1S tonight. Don't do what I did and use the long screws and go through the side. Bambu doesn't do a good job of telling you what screws belong where, and I wasn't paying attention. But what I'm going to do is just print like a 3D Print 747 moniker here, whatever it's called, and cover those up because that annoys me. But what I wanted to accomplish was, when I'm in the Handy app, I can't send something that I printed on this printer over to here when it was a P1P because it wasn't compatible. So hopefully, regardless of the AMS, hopefully it allows me to do that. I'm going to test that tomorrow and we'll see how it goes. I'm going to send this print over to here in the morning. This is printing on a new smooth sheet that I bought. You can see that. Bambu has a sale right now, so you can get stuff pretty decent price. I think it was like 15% off, 15 or 20. With free shipping. So I took them up on the offer. But I'm hoping that, you know, we get rid of this texture here, which I'm sure it's going to do. So I'll show you the before and after, or this versus the other one when it comes off the printer in the morning, and we'll see how it looks. But super happy with how things went overall. There are some gotchas. I didn't just look at Bambu's website for the install. It's been probably a year and a half to 2 years, maybe not 2 years, but it's been a long time since I upgraded this one, and they've definitely done some better packaging, but they did forget my charcoal filter. So I texted the support team, and I'm hoping that they send it out. I don't really do ABS or carbon fiber or anything that's toxic, so it's not really that big a deal to me, but if I ever want to do it, I want to know that I have the ability to. So yeah, I'll let you know how things look in a little bit, and we'll go from there. Alright everyone, so kind of, not really disappointment, but maybe a lack of the Bambu Handy app. I'm able to print between the two printers because now they're both P1Ss, not a big deal. But because I have the smooth sheet on the newly upgraded P1S, I can't print between the two because the Handy app doesn't allow you to modify G-code, and I guess the G-code needs to be changed when you have a textured sheet versus a smooth sheet. So not a huge deal because most of the time I use the textured sheet, but I really like the smooth sheet right now. I've printed probably 4 prints with it, and it's looking really nice. So here's the textured. You can see what that looks like. I'm sure everyone who has a Bambu knows what that looks like. But here's the smooth. It looks really nice. I mean, it's just, yeah, it's really nice. So just keep that in mind if you decide to upgrade and you have more than one printer and you want to, you know, send prints back and forth between the two. Just something to keep in mind. But anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Please hit that like button. I've got a new video coming out. We're trying a new bento box, so that should be out in a couple of days, and we'll see if they changed the code, fixed it, make it work any better than what I experienced in the past. So stay tuned for that. And again, thanks for watching. And please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.